Filmmakers have been fascinated with Mumbai and Delhi. In fact, in a few noteworthy films, these two cities have played pivotal characters. The recently released Dhobighat picturizes Mumbai beautifully.
No, actually what I'm trying to say is that I'm not the relationship kind at all.
Then there has been Bombay, Life in a Metro, Once Upon a Time in Mumbai,
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है.
Mumbai Meri Jaan,
जिंदगी 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 जिंदगी
Satya
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है
and Company, to name a few. A few films with Delhi as its backbone. Dev D, Rang De Basanti, Band Baja Barat, No One Killed Jessica, and the soon to be released Delhi Belly. So in your opinion, which city you find more fascinating on celluloid, Mumbai or Delhi? Do let us know your opinion. Okay people, it's time for your favorite show now, Bollywood This Week. So what is Aamir Khan's opinion on awards in Bollywood?
मैं ये बहुत वक्त से कह रहा हूँ और मुझ पे कई दफ़ा आप लोगों ने तंजिया सवाल भी पूछा है कि आप ऑस्कर के लिए चले जाते हैं और यहाँ नहीं जाते, हिंदुस्तानी अवार्ड में कोई कमी नज़र आती है आपको. और ये बात मैं भरम एक दफ़ा और फिर दूर कर दूँ. 2 हिंदुस्तानी अवार्ड हैं, 2 जिस पे मैं गया हूँ. एक दीनानाथ मंगेशकर अवार्ड है, उस संस्था के लिए मेरे दिल में बेहद इज्जत है, तो मैं वहाँ गया, सर झुका के हाथ जोड़ के मैंने अवार्ड लिया क्योंकि मुझे बेहद खुशी हुई कि मुझे वो पुरस्कार मिला. और दूसरा अवार्ड जो मैंने कबूल किया है वो गोलापुरी अवार्ड्स हैं चेन्नई में. वो एक संस्था ऐसी है, जो एक लड़का था जो अपनी पहली फिल्म बना रहा था, जिसकी फिल्म की शूटिंग के दौरान डेथ हो गई. उसकी फैमिली ने उसके नाम पे ये अवार्ड शुरू किया है. तो जब उनका मुझे मैसेज आया कि हम आपको सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं तारे ज़मीं पर के लिए, तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई और मैं वहाँ गया और मैंने वो अवार्ड उनसे लिया. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज़ दैट फॉर मी, इफ़ आई हैव वैल्यू इन माई हार्ट फॉर दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो संस्था मुझे इज़्ज़त दे रही है, पहले मेरे मन में उनके लिए इज़्ज़त होनी चाहिए, तो मैं जाऊंगा और उनसे खुश होऊंगा कि इन्होंने मुझे इज़्ज़त दी है.
Hrithik Roshan unveils his statue at Madame Tussauds, London.
Wow! Feels like my entire life has been a journey leading up to this very point. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. I mean, I almost seems as if it has a mind and a soul, you know, and a thought process going on. Because I look at it and it looks back at me, saying, "Dude, you look like me."
Big Bollywood celebs at the Filmfare party.
work hard for my money. Yes, I've been working a lot, and lots of people who are doing the award functions, I enjoy attending them, and especially in a year when I'm nominated, and then invariably I've had the good fortune that people expect me to come and dance or perform or do something or the other. So I'm having fun.
It's just a way of your fraternity of the people to acknowledge your work. Nothing to get extremely excited about, but yes, happy. And nothing to get too disappointed अगर आपकी picture nominate होती है या नहीं होती है, ठीक है.
Well, thank you for the nomination for a film which we truly enjoyed making. Guzarish was a very precious film, and it's wonderful that the film has been appreciated and recognized here as well.
Farah Khan's Triumph Lingari Show.
Excellent show. I still remember it coming to the same venue, and I'm sure this is also going to be something amazing, something different.
Farah is very shrewd. She'll only play her songs.
Your favorite, if you had to say?
Farah's best song up to date is as the whole world knows is from Houseful. अपनी तो जैसे दोस्त.
मैं हर साल एक ही शो करती हूँ और वो ट्रायम्फ के लिए है. एंड इनके जो CEO है वो मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. He's Jomin, he's married to my best friend. So that's how I know. And I think पहले साल जब हमने किया था, हमने सोचा नहीं था कि इतना बड़ा सक्सेस होगा. Second year was even better, and hoping that third year we outdo what we did last year.
Over to it, CBTC now. Mr. Perfectionist Aamir Khan speaks about his flaw in 3 Idiots.
You know, my character doesn't have any flaws. And that is a flaw. For me. It's too perfect. आदमी गरीब होता है, economically weak होता है. ये हर तरीके से मतलब he's got no weakness, so your heart doesn't go out of him.
Ajay Devgan on the alleged war with Shah Rukh Khan.
There is no such thing. I think nobody has the time for wars, for one, and we all don't know each other so well to dislike each other or anything. I mean, I'm a quiet person, and whenever we meet, we are very cordial. We have nothing against each other.
Madhur Bhandarkar on why Heroine was shelved.
I have shelved the film because right now, definitely, I was into my zone of rom-com and making Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji. So I didn't have that right time to sit across the script. Script is tentatively ready, but not fully. But when I revisited the script, remember to say in between, I went to see the script. I felt a lot of work to be done. The graph of the film, of the actress' life is superb. It's one of my very closest film to my heart. Very real, very hard-hitting, mind-blowing performances. But at this point, because heroine, like you said, the media hyped so much heroine completely. So I said, this is not the right time to start heroine. My concentration was completely on Dil To Bachcha Hai shooting and the post and the promotion and everything. So last 1.5 months back, it came in the newspapers also. Okay, I have shelved the film.
That's all we have from this week's edition of Bollywood This Week. We leave you with a funny and quirky theatrical trailer of Oot Patang.
ऑलिव में पैसे उड़ाने वाला, टस्कनी की वाइन पीने वाला, फ्रेंच क्विजीन खाने वाला, अंडरवर्ल्ड का भाई।
एक्चुअल मैं रावण।
इतने सारे पैसे, लेकिन ये मेरा पैसा नहीं है। इस बैग के बारे में अगर सोच रही है ना, तो भूल जाओ। पैसे का।
All right then, till next week, take loads and loads of care, guys. Have fun. Bye bye.
सिगरेट तेरा बाप देगा, जलाएगी तेरी माँ।
Bollywood Hangama News Network.